So this is like just a simple shorts underneath the jumper. Next, I got so many stuff. Shin. Okay, this is hair. I buy my hair online to braids. This is going to be a boho. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right. Boho or boohoo braids. The one with the curls in it. So I bought this hair. I bought 1, 2. It's so thin though. Like, is it going to be enough? It's very thin. 6, 7, 8, 9. It's very thin. I don't know. I like my hair to be big. Okay. Oh, this one is so cute, guys. I couldn't resist it when I saw it. It's a bikini for swimming. So I can show you guys. Look at the colors. This is the down for swimming. And this is the bikini top. How cute is that? It's just a bikini. Look at the little bag. What is this? Oh, this is just for eyelashes. I've been waiting for this. So when I want to make this kind of video, like where I'm talking, now I'm using the phone mic, right? I have not added any kind of mic, but I bought this one, the small mic, where you can just attach it to your phone and one to your shirt or anywhere around your voicing, and it will improve the sound. Yeah, so let me unpack it. Maybe we can start using it right away so you can see the difference between now and then after. Look at that little package, see? Let me try it. Maybe I have to charge it first. Look, I think I have to charge it first. Okay, I can't use it right now, but in my next video, maybe I'll do one after this one to just try it out. Okay, you guys can let me know if it has improved. I hope so. I'm not gonna cut off the price tag just yet, but I like the shirts. Like this. Okay, next we have 2 more to go. This video is going to be long. I didn't expect it. And all of these things are not even that expensive. It was on sale, everything almost. November, December is the best time to do your shoppings because most things will be on sale. Okay, I think I know what this is. I've been wanting like a 2-pack shirt with this name on it and a picture, and then I came across this one. I hope the quality is good though. not bad. It's a XL as well. Oh guys, the quality is really good for the price actually. This shirt was like €7, 7-8 only. Look. Damn. But I'm recording from the front camera, so it's reversed. But it says 2-pack. It's really nice. I didn't expect the quality to be this good. Now I'm happy. Hey. And then I think this one is hair. I bought blonde hair. Last year I bought the same hair and it was so nice. I loved it. Do you guys remember the blonde hair I had? It was like until here. But that one really spoiled. So this year again, I think last year I bought it around the same time. But it doesn't look good anymore. So with the Black Friday, the price was reduced. So I had to buy one again. So here we go. Ooh, there are a small brush with it for the edges. Okay, look at that. Okay, on the video it looks brighter than actually it is, but it's not that bright. What? Is this the same hair? Maybe it's just my eyes, but the previous one, it was a bit dark on the edges. This one is a bit lighter. Anyways, it's the same. It's the same. I think it's just the lights that is shining too bright. So this is the hair. I can't wait to rock this on. You guys are going to love it. Let me put it there. Let me put it back in the back. That's the back. And then we have one more to go and the video will be succeeded. Oh, I guess I had everything ready. That was it. That was everything. Oh wait, yeah. I also bought this cute top. It's a top. You can just tie it like this and then tie this one on the back. It's cute. It's cute. Like this. Look at the colors. As dark people, we have to wear bright colors because it suits. Like, look at this light what? Light green. It's shining. So I guess this is it. I've been waiting all week to do this video. I was gathering all of the everything came at once, like in 1 week, but then not on the same day. Even one they brought at home, but I wasn't home. And then they brought it somewhere far. I had to go and collect it from there. Today was like the last day. If I didn't go today, they were going to return it back to the sender. So I rushed today before 2 p.m. I collected and now I have everything, I guess. For the next 6 months, I'm not gonna buy anything anymore, guys. Your girl is broke. Okay, thanks for watching my video. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up, write a comment, and I'll do this kind of video if you guys liked it. So yeah, bye bye.